Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. I have a friend mail and it came, I've already unboxed it, guys, because I couldn't wait. I just couldn't wait to unbox it. Okay, couldn't wait. I knew one of the things that was in there and that's why I was so excited. But it came in the mail. I got it yesterday, but I didn't get home till midnight. So we're doing it today. But like I said, I couldn't wait. And my hubby actually helped me unbox it, and he was pulling the things out so I could look at it. And I'm going to kind of go from smallest to biggest. And the first two things I got are from, this is called vanessasvanity.com. I got a loose pigment in the shade Mystique. It's just really pretty shimmery neutral. I've not opened these. I've only looked kind of at them. I've not opened them, because I was saving that part for the video. I'm going to tap a little out into the lid here. And I've been swatching, so please forgive me. Oh, that's pretty. You could totally use that as a highlight. And it seems to have a little bit of iridescence to it. Nice. Very nice. And I know I'm going to need a wipe. I might as well locate one. I don't know what I've done with them. I think I'm getting about down to empty on this pack. Okay. I had a swatch there from the Masquerade palette, which is what I have on my eyes, and I actually love this palette. Okay. And then I also had Vanessa's Vanity. And there is actually her packaging. This is still in the package. I've not opened it, so I don't even know what color it is. Let's see if I can get it open. Shannon can't get things open. Okay, here we go. So it is a little pan, and it's called Fire Alarm. So I'm thinking it's probably a reddish color. Yep. Oh my gosh, look at that. I don't know if I have an empty palette to put that in, because it's pretty, oh, my palettes are pretty full. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, children. That is gorgeous. I don't know. I don't think I have a, maybe I do, a spot in a palette to put that. I gotta move some stuff around so I can get in my drawer here. I gotta pull this big old Jack on Hill palette out. I'm looking. I have one spot. Yes. One spot in this neutral palette to put this Fire Engine Red. If that doesn't pop out, I don't know what does. But yeah, most of these are Coastal Scents and BH Cosmetic pots. So we will be using that red. That is beautiful. Okay. Next thing was, and it was in a Ziploc, so if it broke, hopefully it didn't spill. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Paradise, the little perfume that came with the butter bronzer set that they did. And that actually smells really good, guys. Very tropical. And that might just end up going on the cruise with me because it's small. So I got that. I also got, she sent a whole bottle. A whole bottle, guys. Is it sealed? I bet it's sealed. Yeah, it's sealed. Lancome, the bifacial, the makeup remover. Whole bottle of that. That'll be going in my bathroom. And I'm making sure I don't miss anything. When he pulled this out, I almost had a heart attack. Maria. The only thing I own from MAC is their lipsticks. And I had just, oh, and the one little eyebrow pencil that came in BoxyCharm. And I've only purchased, I think I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 MAC lipsticks. And I purchased 3, and 2 came in subscription boxes. So when I saw this come out of the package, I knew exactly what it was. When I seen it, I had a hissy fit. because I saw this come out. And I knew right away that it was MAC. Oh my gosh. And the brush. Oh my gosh. And my hubby's like, what is it? I was like, it's MAC. And it's a highlight. And it's beautiful. This is the MAC Whisper of Guilt Extra Dimension Skin Finish. And this is the softest, one of the softest brushes. I hate even messing up that pan, but that is so pretty. Oh, girl, that is, thank you so much. I did send Maria a thank you box, kind of like a thank you box, and I think she's really enjoying what I sent. I sent her 3 purses because I was kind of wanting to declutter out a few purses, and I sent her a couple purses, so rock 'em, girl. And then next, I had no idea this was going to be in there either. He pulled this out. I was like, is that a Morphe palette? He's like, yeah, it says Morphe on the front. I was like, which one is it? And it is the 35P. And if you guys have watched me for a while, you know purple is my favorite color. Oh my gosh, look. Look at all the purples. I just can't. I can't even. Oh my gosh. And this one right here is like, it's black, but it's purple. And it's got glitter. It's black, but it's purple. I don't even know. It's like, it's got purple glitter in it, and that's what gives it the purple sheen. Let's do another one. Let's see. Ooh, what's this beautiful icy shimmery purple up here? This mid-tone purple. This matte kind of burgundy. Oh, look at that one. Oh, look at those. We will definitely be playing with those. Oh my gosh. So I did not have that one. I didn't. I have the 35O, the 35E, and the 35T, and now I have the 35P. So this one will go in my Morphe collection. Oh, and I have the Jack One Hill. So those are my Morphe palettes. Guys, I cannot get over this red. That right there too is it's iridescent as well. It's got some iridescence to it. That black is going to be like, girl, I ain't washing off. You're going to have to scrub me. But yeah, that black was intense there. It's wanting to hang on for dear life. All right, here come the one I knew what was in there. And when she told me what it was, all I can say is thank you for thinking of me on this. Really, thank you for thinking of me and sharing this with me, because there is no way right now I would have been able to buy this for myself. And it is the Natasha Denona Sunset Palette. So Maria received this and it was slightly damaged, and I don't know if she ordered it through Ulta or through the actual Natasha Denona site. I can't remember. But they did send her a replacement, and this one was only slightly damaged, and she sent it to me. I can't even. And I'm going to open her up and show you. She said she cleaned it up and fixed it as best she could. Girl, I don't even see anything wrong with it, but like a little nick right there. That's such a beautiful fall palette. I can't. That's beautiful. I can kind of see this shadow right here was probably cracked a little bit down the side. And she's fixed it, pressed it kind of back down in there. That is beautiful. And I'm about ready to go take this makeup off and try this one. Oh my gosh. Yes, I'm going to swatch them. I won't swatch every color, but I'm going to swatch a few. Let's do that beautiful gold orange. Oh my gosh. They are so soft. And that's because I saw Susan Young, she ordered, and she actually got 2 palettes, and both had the same issue. The shadows had come out. These are all shimmers. Look at that. They are so soft. It's amazing how soft they are. And they're almost creamy. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Like an actual cream. That's amazing. Let me dry my hands off. I'm messing up your work here, Maria, because I'm swatching. Let's do some mattes. Let me dry my fingertips off. I'm going to do this kind of reddish color. Look at that. And this brown color, kind of terracotta, this orange, and then this orange. We'll see what they do. That's the mattes. Oh my gosh. They're not as creamy. They do feel drier, but they're soft as, I mean, you know what I'm saying? That softness. That's just kind of blending them out to see how they blend. And they blend beautiful. I mean, they're not patchy. They just blend out like a dream. So yeah, I just messed it up. Oh, but man, that is so pretty. So I think that was, yeah, that was everything. I don't think I'm missing anything, am I? No? Okay. That's everything. I just can't get over how beautiful that is. And I will be using that on my eyes tomorrow. I do have to go to work tomorrow, so I will be using it on my face tomorrow. And when you try to clean it off, it gives you a beautiful golden tan. Yeah. But yeah, thank you so much, Maria. And I'm glad that you liked what I sent to you. Oh, you send me the best stuff, I swear. It's amazing. And I love having you in my life. And it's not just for this stuff either. You make me laugh. And I love chatting with you on Instagram. And I love making those friends online, and hopefully one day, you know, some of these friends I'm meeting online, we can actually meet in person. That would be fantastic. But yeah, I'm glad you liked what I sent, and I'll declutter some more eventually and send you something else. All right, guys, that is it for this one, and probably by the time I post this giveaway may have ended. I don't know yet. Because I don't know in what order I'm going to upload these videos. I'm filming several tonight, which I do on my days off, and then I spread them out during the week. So if this giveaway is over, congratulations to the winner, but don't worry, I have another giveaway coming up for the holidays. So be sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll know when that video goes up. I'll see you guys on the next one.